In this video, we are going to learn about the structure of the earth. Basically, this picture represents interior of the earth divided into different layers. So we are going to know each one of them. The first layer of the earth is the crust. It is the outermost solid part of the earth. Basically, this region is brittle in nature. Because of that, during the earthquake, the crust breaks easily, causing the fault. The material which available have low density. The thickness of the earth in the crust area varies under the ocean and continent areas. Near Mariana Trench, the depth is 9,900 meters, almost 11 kilometers downwards. The thickness of the crust is 5 kilometers under the ocean, whereas near the continent it is 30 kilometers. The thickness of the earth nearby mountains, it is 70 kilometers. You may be observe this system in the Himalayan region. So the Himalayas are the northern part of the India. We will learn regarding this topic in the next class. Everyone know regarding that these mountains were formed due to the tectonic plate movement, the collision between the two plates. So coming to the second layer of the earth, mantle. From the end of the crust up to the outer core, thickness is 2,900 kilometers. The upper mantle is called as asthenosphere. Crust and upper mantle collectively called as lithosphere. Astheno means weak. Due to this weakness, the magma finds the way during the volcanic eruptions. Lithosphere is consisting 200 kilometers. The lower mantle is a solid one. So this layer also responsible for seismic waves and earthquakes. New scientific experiments saying that between 100 to 200 kilometers the rocks are in the melting state or melting point, nothing but liquid state. Next one, the core consisting of nickel and iron, and mantle is in the molten rock due to this tectonic plates movement continuously going on. So as we discussed, the third and inner side of the earth is core, comprises outer and inner core. The outer core is in the liquid state, while the inner core is in solid state. Density of the core is highest. Going deep inside the earth, the density increases. The core is made up of heavy material like nickel and ferrous, also called as knife. The core thickness is approximately 1300 kilometers. And the total core thickness is 3500 kilometers.